CRED is a portal that is known for how it has revolutionized credit card payment by heavily rewarding it. Hey guys, this is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, I'll give you various options for using your CRED coins and also some basic information about the app. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get started, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications so that you don't miss out on our new videos. Okay, so let's begin. Before you know how to use CRED coins, let us talk about the basics. So CRED is a member-only app, meaning it is exclusive for its members. The basic eligibility to become a CRED member is when you have a credit score of 750 or above. You can check this online via the phone number linked with your bank account. This way, either you'll be eligible to use it and apply for its membership, or you may receive a member invite from CRED itself. Next, at this stage, I would also like to inform all your viewers that this is an entirely safe application. Usually, people get skeptical with apps having credit cards information, but not in this case, as CRED comprises more than 7.5 million users. Such a high trust community it has built. Kudos. Beyond safety, the second feature that we look for is a seamless paying experience. CRED has that too. Clubbed with its minimalistic and intuitive app design, it integrates Just Pay and Razor Pay, so you can hear that seamless, quick, and safe jingle of payment. Now we'll share 4 ways of using CRED coins. First, products. Pandemic has been a hurdle for major retreats, whether a movie date, spa getaway, or fine dine evening. In such cases, shopaholics have turned to a frenzy of retail therapy and self-care sessions. People wanted to indulge in treating themselves irrespective of gender. Well, CRED capitalized on this opportunity. The majority of the products featured by CRED in its store belongs to personal products across categories of makeup and self-care products. Secondly, you can participate in Mega Jackpot week. From all the people in the world, some belong to a group whom others label as miser. These are those people that have had one motto all their life: wealth accumulation. Although in reality, they are saving it all to spend it wisely one day. Can you relate? Well, if you are one of them, CRED has got a jackpot for you. It organizes an event called Mega Jackpot Week regularly. This event really justifies the name, as users can win from an assortment of awesome rewards ranging from Harley-Davidson Fat Boys, free flights for 5 years, gold, iPhones, Safari card, and even the very popular Bitcoin. Next, buy products at exclusive CRED prices. Other than normal products in its store, CRED offers certain products at exclusive CRED prices for a limited time, meaning that users will not find such prices anywhere on another platform, as it is exclusive CRED pricing. Even the editor-in-chief of Vogue India could not help but share her irresistible recommendations that could be bought from the CRED store. Save your CRED coins and you can try out her suggestions too, which included the Mom's Co skincare essentials, Lifelong's hair straightener, air dopes by Bort, silver jewelry by Jiva, tea bundles by Badham Teas, and my favorite as well, which is Elementary's terracotta carefree. The fourth alternative of using CRED coins is to get your hands on some amazing Amazon vouchers. Yes, you heard it right. Amazon vouchers it is. Simply visit the CRED Club section and locate the Amazon offer for coupons in a list of various other offers. You can use this voucher and get a discount while shopping on Amazon. Lastly, even without any existing offer running, you can always use your CRED coins across various sections to satiate that shopper soul of yours. May it be to claim the member-exclusive perks that are floating special prices on CRED Store or booking stays at special prices to make your getaway even more rewarding. All these besides the basic perks like claiming rewards by spins and standing a chance to win cashback or getting offers while paying with CRED Pay. So now that you know how to use your CRED coins, get ready to turn your bill payments from a chore into a rewarding experience. CRED adds value to it by emphasizing safety and convenience along with offering a host of rewards and experiences. So that's all about this video. If you have been using a credit card or are contemplating applying for one, I hope today's video will help you get in utilizing the best of CRED app, that is CRED coins. If you liked the video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe, or you will miss the notifications for our new video. Subscribe now. Thank you again, and all the best for your journey to get more out of your credit card every step of the way. This is Asta from PaperVideo, signing off.